Hello, my name is Rich Guzman and welcome to this brand new video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to create a bridge page from scratch to connect it to the capture page from the first video that we started in this series. Now let's go over to our share screen and there we are. So we're going to log in. This is where the login area is. We're going to log in and we're going to click on the funnel icon here on the left. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. You won't see all this. I have a lot of different pages here. Now we created a capture page in the first video. It's right here. As a matter of fact, we did a split test as well. And you can see there is the capture page we did in the previous video. If you haven't seen the previous video, I'll put it in the description where you can actually access it. Now, with this capture page, I want to start off with getting the color code. So I'm going to click on the button and then click on the brush and then click on the button there and then click on the color. And then over here on the right, you can see that there is a little hashtag there, right? So let me just copy that. And I'm going to just copy that. And then now we have it on the clipboard. So just to make sure, let's open up a new tab here. Yep, there it is. Okay, so always good to check, guys. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start creating the bridge page. Let's head over to funnels. Scroll all the way down. And we're going to click on this green button, which you can't see. So I'm going to go over here and get rid of that. There's a green button right there. Add new step. 3 choices: page, pop-up, and section label. We're going to click on page. And again, you know me, I like to go to the template club because this is where the latest templates are coming out. Now, this is the capture page here. Let's find something that we can work with for a bridge page. So I'm going to scroll down. And let's see here. I like this one here. Let me hit preview. There we go. Very simple, right? We can work with this. So I'm going to click on this button that says select. And then here I'm going to call it networking bridge right there. Okay. So now all I have to do is click add. And my template just uploaded just like that. How cool is that? So now we have the bridge page up. So what we need to do is do a little bit of customizations. So let's look over here. This is it says free training and it's pink. We don't want pink. It doesn't go with the actual color. So if you like this actual, writing, the copy and everything, you could just change this to a different color just by clicking on text color and choosing any color that you want. Or if I want to go to the color from the capture page, I can do that, and it's exactly the color from the capture page. That simple. However, I'm going to go back to the capture page here, and I'm going to grab the copy right there, and I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to leave it just like that. Okay. Now, this is, I know it's blue because it really matches the color for the capture page, but if you look at the capture page, this writing is completely black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it back to black. There we go. And now we should be good to go. Now, here's the thing, guys. The button, I don't want it to be green. I want it to be blue. Why? Because if we go back to the capture page, you can see that this capture page color is blue. All right. Now, let's see if we still have that on the clipboard. Let's get rid of the gradient there. Go right there. Oh, you know what? I didn't have it on the clipboard. So what we have to do, let's just save our work by clicking save. Let's go back to the actual capture page, networking, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to grab that color code, hit the brush, button, again, top color there, and copy that. Now go back to the funnel, right on the left there. Go back to the bridge page. Click on the button on the bridge page. Click on Edit Styling Brush. Go back to the color of the button. In that box by the hashtag, paste in that color. And now we have matching color. Perfect, right? So let's leave it like that. Okay, cool. So what I like to do is, for me, I like to just have something that says continue, right? Not click here to join. If it's a bridge page, I like to just hit continue for the button there. So I'm going to show you on how you can actually change the words in the button. Very simple. Okay. So let's go over to the button, click on the edit section there. And right there says click here to join. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go in between those codes there. And I'm going to just put in continue. I already have it on my clipboard. And just like that, it says continue, right? Or continue to get started, right? That looks better. So we'll keep that one there. Now I am going to save that, just like that. And we already have our bridge page ready to go. Now, let's say that you don't have a video, right? That's okay. Record a video, introduce yourself, explain the features and benefits of how it could help someone using this product or service, or your business, your product, or your service. So if I click on here, all I have to do is hit edit video. And what I can do is I can paste in the video source right there of any video I want. Okay. So let's say I have a video here. If I go to my YouTube channel and I click on our channel, video, and I'm just going to put any video, guys, just for example. Whenever you go to your video, you can click on, let's say, share. You can go to the embed right there. Okay. Grab that. And then I'm going to go back to the funnel builder, video source, right there. And you can see my video is right there as well. Okay. If you want to use a custom thumbnail, you could actually go like this. You could add, I have many different examples. Let's say I want to use like, hold on a second. Image directory. We'll just use anyone for an example here. Right there. Hit select. And you can upload your own as well. And just like that, I have a custom thumbnail. Really, really cool. So let me just save that. And we're good to go. And let's preview it. And there's our bridge page. Very, very simple, right? So now, how do we connect the sales page and the bridge page to the capture page, right? That's real interesting. So if you've never done this before, follow along, and we'll have your funnel up and running. So let me go over back to the funnel builder. And right here, I am going to find my sales page and connect it to this button. So I'm going to go over to our affiliate area. You should have one as well for your company where they have their own sales page. And I'm going to go over to this one here. Copy that. Go back to the bridge page template. Click on there. Hit the actual edit link. And just like that, I'm going to choose external link. Click on there. And there's a blank right there, this blank box URL. Paste it in there. That's where you put your sales page. And then from there, we hit save. Now that first part is done. That's awesome, right? So now what we need to do, and here's another easy part of this funnel builder that's amazing. I'm going to go back to the funnels here after I save my work. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go all the way down, and we're going to go back to the capture page we built in the first video of the series. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this area right here in this box where people will put their email. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where it says edit settings. Now, every page that you create in the funnel builder is a record that's recorded. So look at this. So all I have to do is click on the thank you page right here where the chain is. So I'm going to go here to funnel. I'm going to drop this arrow down, and any page that I've ever created is in the list, right? Pretty cool. So what did we call our bridge page? We called it networking bridge to keep it congruent with the capture page, right? So click on networking bridge, hit select, and Automatically, all we have to do is hit save, and our funnel is complete. So all I have to do is put in an email and then just go like this. And look at that, guys. We're already on our bridge page, and then the button's already good to go. And then we click here. Guess what happens? It goes right to the sales page. Just like that, you have your funnel set up with this amazing funnel builder. Now, one thing I've learned about funnel builders over the years, they have evolved and gotten a lot better and a lot easier. But there's still a lot of funnel builders out there that, number one, too expensive, and two, they're a little bit more clunky, convoluted, and it's not good for a lot of people who are getting started in this business that are trying to put funnels together. Now, the way that this funnel builder works, it eliminates the problem and confusion of connecting pages. Okay. All you have to do is drop down that arrow like I showed you and connect any page that you ever created. And as far as your sales page from your company, right, you can, click on external link and paste that link in there and automatically save it, and you're good to go. And you have your funnel set up. Okay. So guys, in the next video, we're going to talk about more details on the HPA training so you can become a better marketer in your business where you're able to get the results that you truly deserve. It's great to have these funnels built. It's great to really understand how to put these pages together. But the biggest point I want to make here is how to become a better marketer so you can assure your success. Okay? So stay tuned for the next one, guys, and we'll see you on a new video. Take care.